Hi, I'm Shawn Darling, and this is Micro Budget Movie Making. The purpose of this video is to show you that you don't need tons of money or ridiculously expensive equipment to make a feature film. You don't need to fly to a foreign country or rent a helicopter to get great shots. You do have to have a good story and good ideas and a good eye. You can make a good film by yourself as well, but a good team is worth more than anything you can have in your arsenal. Filmmaking also doesn't need to be ridiculously expensive. I made a feature film on no budget. Not a good film, but an internationally distributed feature film for less than $2,000, using on-hand materials, food, donated time, volunteers, and donated locations. What it cost was a lot of time, elbow grease, and footwork. I shot a feature film on an SD camera that wasn't even as high-res as a phone camera is today. It was only 720p resolution. Phone cameras are now full HD 1080p, and you can get professional camera apps that allow you to adjust everything from the frame rate to ISO and more. Almost everyone has this in their back pocket. Those cameras are limited, but you can use it to make your feature film. So what I'm saying is, if you want to make your film, you have no excuse. This is a video series about making large films on a very small budget. We will focus on our own projects, our own successes, and our own failures along the way. How we go about making them, what equipment we will use, the people involved, and the techniques that help us make better movies while spending next to nothing. $1 million shots don't have to cost millions of dollars. Everything from writing to composition, lighting, to editing and special effects. We will show you our own way of getting it done and how you can do the same thing with next to nothing. You will also see our successes and failures along the way that you will probably encounter as well. This is an honest behind-the-scenes look at making feature films, TV shows, music videos, and more. So tune in as the videos are released, and let's make great movies together with little to no budget. I'm Shawn Darling, and this has been Micro Budget Movie Making.